Hello again. Welcome back to MarineMax Gulf Shores. Today we're going to be taking a brief look at the Grady-White 235 Freedom. Like all other Grady-Whites, this Grady-White does sport the classic CV2 hull, the very high freeboard, and standard on the 235 is a 300 Yamaha. Here, let's step aboard. As you walk aboard this Grady, you can see at the transom we have the ski tow bar, fish box, live well with a transom seat, your port seat slides out to be a lounger. This one's equipped with the upgraded captain seat. With a spacious head. As you walk through the windshield, there's room for 4 with handrails and cup holders. For a full viewing of this Grady or any of our other Gradys, come and see me, Dwayne Diggs, MarineMax Gulf Shores.